This is how to take the bolt apart on a Beretta 1301. I assume you've got to this point already, getting the gun apart, but this is for people who don't know. This is how you get the charging handle out. You just push down and it comes out very easily. You can see the hole lines up. Okay, you turn it over. There's a little hole here you need to put a pin in. This is the trigger pin, retaining pin, and you want to push that out. I use a watchmaker's screwdriver. There's our firing pin and screw. Firing pin, retaining pin, turn it upside down. And the bolt pin comes out, and there's your bolt. That's it. You want to take this apart, there's a push pin in here, you push it out, this whole mechanism comes apart. That's it.